Ostrich. The ostrich, Struthiocamelus, is a flightless bird native to Africa. It is the largest living bird species and can grow up to 9 feet, 2.7 meters, tall and weigh up to 320 pounds, 145 kilograms. Ostriches have long necks, small heads, and two-toed feet with sharp claws. They are known for their distinctive plumage, which is predominantly black and white feathers on their body and long, soft, and plume-like feathers on their wings and tail. Male ostriches have black feathers while females have brownish-gray feathers. Ostriches are omnivores and primarily feed on plants, insects, and small animals. They are also known to swallow stones and pebbles which help them grind up their food in their gizzards. In the wild, ostriches live in small groups or pairs, and the male takes on most of the incubation duties, sitting on the eggs during the day while the female takes over at night. Ostriches are fast runners and can reach speeds of up to 45 miles per hour, 72 kilometers per hour. Ostriches are farmed for their meat, eggs, and feathers, and their hide is also used to make leather products. In some parts of Africa, ostriches are hunted for their skin and meat, which are considered delicacies. Ostriches have a relatively long lifespan compared to many other birds. In the wild, they can live up to 30 to 40 years, although the average lifespan is around 20 to 30 years. In captivity, ostriches can live even longer, up to 50 to 60 years. However, their lifespan can be affected by various factors such as predation, habitat loss, diseases, and hunting. Overall, ostriches have a relatively long lifespan and can live for several decades if they are well cared for and protected. Ostriches are omnivores, which means they eat both plants and animals. In the wild, their diet consists mainly of plants such as roots, leaves, flowers, seeds, and fruits. They also eat insects, small animals, and even small stones and pebbles which they swallow to help grind up their food in their gizzards. Ostriches are known for their ability to survive in harsh and arid environments where food is scarce, and they can go for long periods without water. They are adapted to grazing on a variety of plants, including tough and thorny vegetation that other animals cannot eat. In captivity, ostriches are often fed a diet of grains, such as corn and soybeans, along with hay and other vegetables. They may also receive supplements of vitamins and minerals to ensure they are getting all the nutrients they need. Ostriches are generally easy to feed and can thrive on a range of diets as long as they are receiving the necessary nutrients to stay healthy. Ostriches have a unique and interesting behavior. Here are some of their behavioral traits. Ostriches are social birds and usually live in groups of up to 12 individuals. During mating season, they form larger groups of up to 100 individuals. During courtship, male ostriches perform elaborate displays to attract females. This includes fluffing their feathers, bobbing their heads, and making hissing and booming sounds. When threatened, ostriches can use their powerful legs to kick and their sharp claws to defend themselves. They can also run at speeds of up to 45 miles per hour, 72 kilometers per hour, to escape predators. Ostriches build simple nests on the ground by scraping out a shallow hole in the soil. The male and female take turns incubating the eggs by sitting on them during the day and night, respectively. Ostriches communicate with each other through a variety of sounds, including hisses, booms, and grunts. They also use body language to convey different messages, such as displaying their feathers or lowering their heads to signal aggression. Ostriches are social birds, and during the mating season, which occurs from March to September in the wild, males engage in elaborate displays to attract females. These displays involve fluffing their feathers, bobbing their heads, and making hissing and booming sounds. Once a female has chosen a male, they will form a pair bond and mate. The pair will then build a simple nest on the ground by scraping out a shallow hole in the soil. The male and female take turns incubating the eggs by sitting on them during the day and night, respectively. Ostriches are polygamous, meaning that males can mate with multiple females. In the wild, a single male may mate with up to 3 females, and in captivity, a single male may mate with up to 5 females. Here are some interesting facts about ostriches. 1. Ostriches are the largest living bird species and can grow up to 9 feet, 2.7 meters, tall and weigh up to 320 pounds, 145 kilograms. 2. Ostriches have the largest eyes of any land animal, measuring up to 2 inches, 5 centimeters, in diameter. 3. Ostriches have a unique digestive system that includes a muscular gizzard where they store and grind up food, including small stones and pebbles they swallow to aid digestion. 4 ostriches are the fastest land animals and can run at speeds of up to 45 miles per hour, 72 kilometers per hour. 5 ostrich eggs are the largest of any bird species and can weigh up to 3 pounds, 1.3 kilograms. They are also considered a delicacy in some cultures and can be eaten raw or cooked. 6 ostriches are social birds and usually live in groups of up to 12 individuals. During mating season, they form larger groups of up to 100 individuals. 7 ostriches have powerful legs and sharp claws that they can use to defend themselves against predators. 8 ostriches have been farmed for their meat, eggs, and feathers for centuries, and their hides are also used to make leather products. 9 ostriches have a relatively long lifespan, living up to 30 to 40 years in the wild and up to 50 to 60 years in captivity. Overall, ostriches are fascinating birds that have unique physical and behavioral traits adapted to their environment and social structure.